I am consciousness. I am life. I am Justin Watches Movies. Chappie is the newest film directed by Neil Blomkamp, and he directed District 9 and Elysium. And this stars Dave Patel, Hugh Jackman, Sigourney Weaver, these two white musicians that I really don't know who they are and exactly what kind of music they play. And Sharlto Copley plays the voice of Chappie. From the trailers, you think this is Dave Patel, who creates this artificial intelligence scouts, that these scouts work alongside the police force and they protect humans and solve crime and crap like that. And from the trailers, it makes it seem like he creates his own, and this robot Chappie can think for himself, have these emotions. And then Hugh Jackman doesn't like this and has his own robot, and they have this all-out war against robots. It's not that. The movie is about these two musicians, I don't know their names or even their names in the movie. They want a robot for themselves to commit crimes for them, so they don't have to do it. So they figure out that Dave Patel is creating one, and they go after him, and they train Chappie to be a criminal. When Chappie is alive and starts to think, he is a little child at first. He wants to be creative and draw, but the father, the male musician, wants Chappie to commit crimes, throw ninja stars, and shoot people. It's actually pretty sad at first the way that they treat Chappie, because he's so young and he doesn't know things very well, and his dad just throws him into gang situations, and Chappie is like, I don't want to be here, take me home. And the mom's trying to express his creative side, and so it's kind of sad at first the way they treat Chappie. I don't really like that, so they did a pretty good job of kind of making me feel emotional towards Chappie. But then Chappie becomes a dick and starts throwing ninja stars, has dollar signs on his face, and he just allows for people to treat him bad, and he likes it. He starts stealing cars and shooting people. So I didn't really like the route that they took with Chappie. This could have been so much better with the way that the trailers made the film be. So with the route they did take Chappie, he was a dick, and I did not care for Chappie at all. From the trailers, I thought I was going to care about Chappie and his journey to become a robot who has his own mind and emotions, but besides, they decided to make him Scarface. This is Neil Blomkamp's worst film. His films have been critically worse each time. District 9 was amazing. Elysium critically wasn't that great, and Chappie has been getting bad reviews, and I completely understand. The route that they took Chappie, I did not like it. It was a boring film most throughout. The characters in here just weren't fleshed out, and they weren't interesting. Hugh Jackman was definitely the worst character in here. He spent most of his time lurking behind a robot, a desk, or a wall. He was just lurking, like spying through things and just hiding, and ooh, what are they doing? Let me hide behind my robot to fight you. He was the worst actor, and he was just there for screen presence because no one else could have held that film together. Sigourney Weaver, she couldn't have been someone else, and I didn't even care because she wasn't even in this film. Forget about Sigourney Weaver. So Chappie definitely had a weak storyline. You did not care for the main character Chappie, voiced by Sharlto Copley, who I thought did an amazing job voicing Chappie. I really liked the voice of Chappie. But other than that, I did not care for what Chappie stood for and the way that they treated Chappie. You know, at first I was pretty saddened towards the idea of them treating Chappie like this, but then Chappie had his own thoughts and continued to do what he did. So I'm going to go ahead and give Chappie a C-. This is Justin Watches Movies with his review of Chappie, directed by Neil Blomkamp and starring Dave Patel, Hugh Jackman, Sigourney Weaver, two white musicians, and the voice of Sharlto Copley. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.